Don't forget it. So welcome to the farm. Somebody cracked a joke yesterday. He said, when you have a visitor, and the visitor is writing your visitor's book, and it takes a long time, it means that visitor has been treated very well. So, I took my time to write part of our discussion to you. So, we have a culture and tradition in Nigeria, of course. Whenever we come to a place and we are treated nicely, we want to leave momentum or something for you to remember. So, it's on behalf of, on that note, on behalf of my hosters, airmen and civilian staff to Nigeria, we want to thank you so for the wonderful things you have been doing for us, and we will see the greater partnership in the future. I want you to find somewhere in your office, lobby, or library to keep this so that anytime you walk in and see it, remember that you have great partners in Nigeria. Once again, thank you very much.
His Excellency will also be a special.
Don't answer the phone.